Hey guys, it's spooky season and I'm so excited. You guys know I've been dealing with my health issues and my husband's job has just been incredible with giving him time off to take care of my needs. So I wanted to do something really special for him and make him a bunch of little goodies for their lunch for Halloween and different treats like that, as well as a little charcuterie platter for them to enjoy as well. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do, what all I use, and how yummy it all turned out. It was quite exciting and a lot of work, and I definitely felt like Betty Crocker, but I got it done and it turned out so superbly beautiful. Can't wait for you to see the end. Alright, first I started with those pumpkin cheesecake cookies, which turned out to be the bomb. And next I did chocolate chip cookies and put the cute little sugar cookies that have pumpkins on them on top. While those things are baking, I figured we'd go ahead and start doing our little chocolate covered pretzel kit, and those cute little sprinkles of ghosts and bats made it just absolutely the perfect Halloween treat. Now tell me those didn't turn out cute. And the little cookies, I'm telling you, it's adorable. Next, we got our peanut butter cookies. I'm going to do the same thing, but with little ghost cookies. Pop them bad boys in there, and then cook the rest of the sugar cookies to give a little bit more variety. Alright, while we're still waiting on the brownies and the other cookies to cook, I figured I'd go ahead and start making our charcuterie platter. I love vegetables, and having some ranch dip and all that is always a nice treat to me to offset all the saltiness of the meats and the cheese. And so we just went ahead and put these pieces. I didn't have enough pre-cut pieces, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut some from a block as well. And unfortunately, right in the middle of me doing this, I got a really important call and I wasn't able to finish showing how I did all of the rest of it, but it definitely turned out beautiful, as well as that platter for the goodies. And Justin's co-workers absolutely loved every bit of it, and it was such a success and worth it all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for helping Justin with his schedule. I hope you enjoyed.